5 minutes my cat has been on my shoulder like he's a parrot, I guess. And yeah, he's been licking my head. I don't really know what he's doing right now. Hey, buddy. Paulo. Woo! What are you doing, buddy? There you go. Who's a good boy? Wow. I don't even know what to say. Anyone else have this problem with their cat? He's just showing right now. Hey, Paulo. Oh, there we go. Look, I don't have to hold him. He's just making himself very comfortable. Who's your good boy? Say hi to YouTube. Paulo, you're so cute. Honestly, I don't really know. He's really comfortable. I don't want to move. Oh. Good boy. If I move my arm, he's just gonna fall right off. Here, let's see if we can reposition you. There you go. Oh, he's grooming me again. Good boy. Oh. It's constricting my airway. He's 13 pounds now. He's not a 2-pound kitten anymore. He's also not a parrot, so I don't know what he's doing on my shoulder. Here, get up there. Jeez. All right. Come here, Paulo. Don't fall now. You see, I don't even need a bath after this. Just getting groomed. Oh, oh, he's on my head. Wow, this is very impressive. The things we do for our animals, right? He's making his way onto the right shoulder, and there it is, back to the hair. This is quite the oh! Should brush his teeth though. I don't know. Hey, buddy. Gonna probably have to take a shower after this. I feel bad. I don't want to let him go. I'll bring him to his perch. Come here, baby. There you go. There you go. Get on the perch. Stay on there. I swear I held that position before I started recording for like 5 minutes because he was just really enjoying my shoulder. Who's your good boy? Back on the shoulder. All right, come here. And we're back. If this, days like this happen, plan to do nothing because your cat needs all the affection. Who's your good boy? Daddy loves you. Well, if you want to see more of Apollo, be sure to follow him on his Instagram at Apollo's Med Journey. Post a lot of photos of him and videos. He's got like 10,000 followers now. And that concludes our cat cuddle session for the for this hour. I'm sure he's gonna want more later. See you guys later.